In this video, we are going to explore one of the most important changes introduced in Perfex CRM 3.3.0, and that is AI integration. If you have been asking what's new in Perfex CRM 3.3.0 and how AI actually works inside the CRM, this is the complete practical guide for you. Now, one important thing before we start, this video is focused on version 3.3.0 because that is the release where Perfex introduced AI capabilities into the platform. So today I'll show you what was added, how to configure it, how it behaves inside tickets, and how developers can think about extending this in custom modules. According to the official Perfex changelog, version 3.3.0 added the OpenAI module, AI ticket summarization, AI ticket reply suggestions, fine-tuning support using the knowledge base and predefined replies, and text enhancement options such as formal, polite, and friendly tone improvements. So this is not just one small AI button. This is the beginning of AI-assisted support workflows inside Perfex CRM. Let's talk about setup first. To use these features, you need an OpenAI account, an API key, and active credits. Then inside Perfex CRM, you go to Setup, then Settings, then OpenAI, where you enter your API key and choose a model. After that, you go to AI integration under General Settings, choose OpenAI as the provider, define the system prompt, and enable features like ticket summarization and ticket reply suggestion. One thing I recommend here is to keep your system prompt very clear. For example, you can define the assistant as a helpful customer support representative. This helps keep AI responses aligned with your company tone and support process. Now let's move to the practical side. Once the setup is complete, open any support ticket. Perfex provides AI actions such as Summarize AI and Suggest Reply AI. The summarization feature is useful when a ticket has a long history and you do not want to read every message manually. The reply suggestion feature helps your support staff prepare a response faster based on the conversation context. Another useful addition is text enhancement. When replying to tickets or writing knowledge-based content, you can improve the wording with options like make more polite, make more formal, or make more friendly. This is especially useful for teams that want consistent communication quality without spending too much time rewriting every message. Perfex also mentions optional fine-tuning support. This is very interesting for businesses that already have a mature support operation. The platform can use your knowledge base articles and predefined replies to help tailor AI behavior more closely to your business. The official documentation notes that you need at least 10 knowledge base articles for this to work. From a developer point of view, this opens up many possibilities. If you build custom modules for Perfex CRM, you can start thinking beyond tickets. Imagine AI-assisted lead qualification, AI-generated proposal drafts, AI summaries for meeting notes, AI help inside task comments, or smarter customer follow-up suggestions. The important thing is that Perfex 3.3.0 gives a base direction. AI is now part of the CRM workflow, not just an external add-on. One thing I also want to mention is accuracy. The official documentation clearly warns that AI can make mistakes, so you should always review suggestions before sending them to customers. That is the right way to use these tools, AI for speed, humans for final approval. And a final technical note, if you are working specifically with 3.3.x, it is worth knowing that Perfex 3.3.1 later fixed the system prompt AI setting and an AI fine-tuning issue. So if someone says AI is not behaving correctly in early 3.3.0 setups, that may be part of the reason. So overall, Perfex CRM 3.3.0 was a major milestone because it introduced AI directly into the core product through ticket summarization, AI reply suggestions, tone enhancement, and optional fine-tuning support. If you are a CRM admin, this can improve support speed. If you are a developer, this creates a strong foundation for building smarter custom modules on top of Perfex. If this video helps you, subscribe to Tech Geeks, and in the next video I can show you how to build your own AI-powered custom module for Perfex CRM step by step.